Hi there, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be continuing the Shelby Cobra model build. Now last time we put the arches on, which I think made a huge difference in the way it looks so much better now. And today we're going to be making the wheels for it. Now I already made some previously using some old wheel bearings from a car or truck and a cog from a mountain bike, which I think look really nice, but unfortunately they're just a little bit too big for this model and it makes it sit too far off the ground, and we don't want a high sports car now, do we? So let's get cracking and making some new ones, and hopefully they'll look much better. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Cheers. Now let's get cracking. So we've got these cut-offs of some steel tube. Unfortunately they're a bit too thin, and you could do that and keep it like that, but they don't really look like they've got a tyre on if we do that, and I like it to look like it's got a tyre. So I've also got some that are a little bit smaller, and I'm going to put them in the middle and just weld in the gap to then make the actual sort of like tyre, as you will. So let's get cracking with that. My new gloves in, because I'm always burning my fingers, because I always burn holes for them. So hopefully these will last a bit longer today. There we go, now that's done, we can grind that down and make it more look like a wheel slash tyre. Stick a new wheel on for this. Nice quick 40 grit, let's not mess about. So I tried to go a little bit too quick around there, and you can see it's sort of got a bit hot and melted the wall away just there, unfortunately. But we can put that up inside the arch, so you're not going to see it. But other than that, it's not too bad. We will fill in the little holes, and then we're good to go. Now we just need to find some somebody to go in the centre. Not quite sure what I'm going to use there yet, so I'm going to have a look. So I found these cogs off of an old mountain bike. I've actually got 4 the same, which is useful, and I've also got 4 of these off the end of some curtain rails, which I'm going to use this bit here. Manual cut this, whatever that is, off of there, and then weld that on there after I've taken that piece out, and then I think obviously that's going to be around the other way, then that there fits quite nicely, so let's do that. Okay, it's got a bit extra there, so let's grind that down. It's got a little bit of a hole in it. We'll weld that up. So now just stick that on there. There we go. Okay. Need to give that a grind off where I filled that hole. Now I've got to get that all the way down in there. Make sure I like it. Okay. There we go. You can see that in the light. I think that looks quite good. Yeah, I've just got to do the others. So there we go. There we have all four. I think they look pretty good. Not really sure if they'd suit a Cobra in real life, but I think they're quite nice anyway. So we will go with those. Let's get these mounted in the car now. So, middle of that. Now here comes the interesting bit. Trying to get these level at the same height, the same place. They actually are. Wobble. That's good. And then wobble that way. So now it's hopefully we're successful in the fronts. happy with that. So there we go, that's the wheels on. I think they look pretty cool. I'm actually really chuffed with those. I think they look really nice. Come out really well. And we got no rocking, so it's perfectly level, which is great. Now I just need to do some perfection, get the lights on, get the surround there, put windscreen on, add some seats and dash, I suppose we should do. Let's put some lights at the back, quite a few little extra bits to go in, but we'll leave that for another video. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. Thanks very much.